In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low FPS and lag on Forza Horizon 5 on PC. So first thing you want to do is go to settings here. Inside settings, go to graphics. Enable this option and then enable hardware accelerated. And then down here, you should find your game. So it's going to be called like Forza Horizon 5. If you don't see it here, then just add it. You'll have to add it. Click add desktop app, and then you'll have to find the game folder, and then you'll have to find Forza Horizon.exe. Select it and then click add. And this way it will look something like this, like for example. And once you open this, you'll see the options where you can just select. So you'll see an option like here, and as you can see, you can basically select high performance. This is what you want, and then turn this on. And once you have done this, you can just go here and just close this down. Next thing, you want to check if there's any display adapter update. So if you go to NVIDIA here, or AMD if you have AMD, then you go to drivers, you will be able to see any update. So like you're gonna see like a download button here and the latest version, the date it was released. So make sure you always update your graphics cards. Next thing, you want to go and type in run, and then temp %. Select everything here and then just delete. After that, you want to go here to this PC, C drive, then Windows. Here you'll see perfetch. Then you want to select everything here and then just delete the same way. After that, go to disk cleanup. And here you're gonna select everything here and then click OK to delete and clean your disk. It's not gonna delete like important stuff, it's just gonna clean any unnecessary folders in your disk. And then click OK to clean it. And this should fix it.